Hey, what's going on? My name is Jordan White, and I am the founder of Carbon Box Media. Now, why should you care about this video? Well, in this video, I'll be sharing a video that our head of Google Ads, Franthoni, made showcasing how we helped Bijou Build scale to $200,000 in monthly revenue and what our Google Ads strategy was to get there. For some backstory, we're currently doing all things marketing for this brand, and we're currently spending around $10,000 to $15,000 a week with around a 5x return on ad spend, or MER, because we're doing Meta, Google, we're doing Pinterest, we're doing email marketing, CR, anything you can think of, we have a little toe or hand inside of every single marketing platform, and that's how we like it. However, this particular video is going to be focused solely on Google. For Google, we took over in January. When we first came into the account, there were absolutely zero conversions. At the time Franthoni recorded this video, we had been managing the Google account for a little over 2 months. We implemented some key strategies, and the results have been pretty awesome since. We're going to walk you through the exact campaigns and strategies we used so you can see how we work and how we get these results. So firstly, we focused on demand capture using Google Ads, particularly with shopping and PMax campaigns. We excluded brand terms and focused on pure demand capture, right? We want to be acquiring net new customers at a profitable rate. Additionally, we employed a multi-channel strategy. Franthoni's going to talk about how the Meta ads help the Google ads to create and capture the demand effectively. It's important to think about how potential customers search for your products, not just for your brand. For example, optimizing for search queries like outdoor page structure. And if you Google Bijou Build, you will understand why that makes sense. Instead of just running brand name campaigns. Of course, brand campaigns are going to get high returns on ad spend. It's not hard to get a high return on brand campaigns, right? So this was a really fun and rewarding project. So enjoy the video. And if you find any value, feel free to either leave a comment or book a call with us using the link in the description to see if we can help you.
Guys, my name is Franthoni and I'm the head of Google Ads here at Carbon Box Media. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how we were able to help Bijou Build get to $200K a month in monthly revenue in Shopify. And I'm going to walk you through exactly the strategies that we implemented in Google Ads. So just for some backstory, we've been working on this account for the last 3 months. And here we in the account, what we can see is, well, let's dive in first, right? So we can see we didn't have any conversions in January. So that's when we started. We started, making some changes. We took over the account and we started progressively just scaling. I'm going to walk you through exactly the type of campaigns, what we did, and just the whole strategy, because this was a really, really fun account to scale, and we're still scaling, by the way. So just some backstory on Bijou Build. Bijou Build is a mono product store that they sell basically an outdoor type of play structure. And when you're searching for the product, no one's typing Bijou Build, right? Because people don't know the brand yet. So what we wanted to do in Google, combining that with our multi-channel strategy, because we also run Facebook ads for this brand as well. So just, keep that in mind. We wanted to, one, create demand for the brand, and then two, capture that demand. So in Google ads specifically, we're more on the demand capturing side. So we're focusing a lot on, shopping, Performance Max, and search. Mind you, for Performance Max, we exclude branded terms, and we only do shopping only, right? So that's really important to know that we're not using multi-channel. I know that's a strategy that works, but here in this case, we want to focus only on capturing demand, because as you know, YouTube Shorts display demand gen. That's more on the demand generation side, and Google hasn't yet proven to be able to get us good results in this account for that. So let's walk through the account. So what we'll see is we have we have a mix of standard shopping and Performance Max, right? As you know, Performance Max does a little bit of remarketing, or a lot of remarketing actually, and a little bit of acquisition, not that much. So what we wanted to do was have a shopping campaign where we're solely focusing on acquisition, right? When someone types the keyword, for example, outdoor play structure, not to give you the full strategy, we have to, keep our clients' information confidential. We basically optimize our product titles. Instead of switching it from Bijou Build, just the name of a product, we put, the search term with high volume, name of the product, attributes, and then the name of the brand, because that's how Google is going to understand to prioritize the first, maybe 30 characters. So in this case, when we look at our account, and this is a very transparent video, we're not going to hold back anything. We'll talk about, the numbers, why some campaigns have more, performance than others. So let's go. First thing is, we can see that in the last 90 days, our brand campaign generated most of the sales. that's not a surprise, right? Because as you know, the more you do acquisition, the more people know about your brand, and then the more people start typing your brand name as well. And then you also have that Facebook traffic that's coming in there. So we're capturing that branded traffic. But what we're doing on the acquisition made a lot of funnel, slash remarketing side with Performance Max shopping. You'll see that we have one Performance Max campaign, two standard shopping campaigns, and one search brand campaign, right? Because Performance Max needs a healthy mix of everything to work. So we're doing more on the acquisition. So you'll notice that this Performance Max campaign actually got us a 6x return, generated 29,000 in the last 90 days with 4,000 spent. Our shopping campaigns got a profitable return on ad spend. So after excluding those search terms, after optimizing those titles, we're getting good results. We can see here on the search brand, we have a 0.5, right? We can't always win. But what we wanted to focus on here was getting in new people on the website. That was a goal here with this search brand, non-branded campaign. And we were okay with, making some tests, tweaking, and even taking a hit on the return on ad spend side, just so we could get more people in, then we can remarket them with our full strategy. And then also, let's look at the graph. So every time we make changes, and I would advise, anyone who's running Google Ads to make notes in your account. I know this is not something that everyone does, but I think it's really helpful. As you make a change in the account, you make a small note, and then you can see it reflect on the graph. And then after 90 days, it looks like this, right? We have a few notes. We don't make changes every day, right? We don't make changes every day because, as you know, Google Ads is a machine learning base, and you want to let it optimize on its own. So we can see that as we started making changes, we started getting conversions. Now, one more thing to mention, that Bijou Build is a high ticket product. The average order value is around $300, right? So we're not expecting conversion every day. But we can see we maintained the spend, right? And it started to gradually go up, and we just, scaled it. And then you can see those conversions start coming in. And then towards, February, we started getting more conversions in the account. So the account started getting, more traction. And then boom, we went from getting our first 7 conversions a day for Bijou Build in March. And that's how we're able to get them to 200K with, these high AOV conversions, really good product, and a mix of bottom of the funnel and top of the funnel. We work with a lot of mono-product brands that when they launch their brand, they name the product by the name of the brand. So in this case, Bijou Build, but no one's going to find that. And our advice for, business like Bijou Build that we've scaled, and we were still scaling even more, is you need to create demand for your product. So what I mean by that, you need to think about how someone is going to type for your product, not for you or your brand, is how they're going to search for this product. So, I gave the example, outdoor play structure, right? That's not the name of the product. That's the name of that's not the name of the brand. That's a search query that the person is going to type in Google. And then what we want to do is optimize our titles, for example, to capture that demand. So that's what we did for Bijou Build. Really excited. This is a really great, really great case study. We really put in our best strategy, a lot of brainstorming, weekly calls with the client. We work very closely, like the entire team, and we achieve the results. And this is what we do here at CBM. We have our out-of-the-box Google Ads strategy that we combine, with our Facebook strategy as well. But in Google Ads, we're not cheating. We're not focusing only on brand. We're not letting PMax waste our budget. We're controlling and navigating with the algorithm. We're the pilots here in this game, and this is what we did here for Bijou Build. So this was once again great example. I'm really excited for the results we got for Bijou Build. So if you found any value in the video, please hit a like and comment, and then also feel free to reach out. My name is Franthoni on LinkedIn, and also you have our page, Box Media, both on LinkedIn and on YouTube as well. So thank you so much. Hope to see you soon, and have a great day.